my kitchen. Welcome to my video. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I'm bringing you a recipe that has been requested by some of you, and it is my healthy chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. So oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. These are so delicious and you will be blown away when you find out what the ingredients is. I will list the recipe down below as well as the source of this recipe because I want to give proper people credit for this. But I have been making these cookies since last summer and I can't tell a difference between the real deal and this one. They are that good. So let's get right into it. You will need 3 ingredients. You will need some bananas. I will be using 3. Then you will need some quick oats and old-fashioned rolled oats and some chocolate chips. So bananas, oats, and chocolate chips. You do not need to use 2 different kinds of oats. Using the 2 different kinds does give it a little bit more of a chewy texture to the cookie, so that's why I use it. But that's it. That's all you need in this cookie recipe. So I'm going to get started, so come along. So I have preheated my oven and now I'm going to mix up my ingredients. So first thing I'm going to do is mash up my bananas. And now I'm going to add all my ingredients. So my old-fashioned oats, my quick cooking oats, and my chocolate chips. Now I'm going to mix it all up. Now I'm going to form them into a cookie. You can add more chocolate chips, less chocolate chips. It's totally up to you. The original recipe calls for mini chocolate chips. I didn't have any mini right now. I think it works just as good with these chocolate chunks. They were the only ones that I could find that were 70% dark, which of course you don't have to do if you don't want to. And you can also make them as big or as small as you want. Now they go into the preheated oven, which it was at 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Being that I'm using the stone, it'll probably be 15 minutes. Here they are, all done. And I am going to have this one because it has least amount of chocolate chip. Not crazy about, I like a little bit, but not overly stuffed with chocolate chip. How do you like your cookies? Let me know. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will give these cookies a try. And if you've had them before, let me know down in the comments below. And let me know if you're planning on making it as well. And if this is your first time stopping by, I do cooking type of videos every Friday, and we would love for you to press that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out any of those videos. I also post cleaning and DIYing and organizing videos, so you might like those as well. So until next time, hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for stopping by and watching my video. And don't forget, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.